In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add API integrations in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your API key, how to safely regenerate it, and how to copy it for use in other tools. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the profile icon there to open your personal menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the place where you manage your profile and security details. Inside Account Settings, locate the section labeled API Key. Think of this key as a secure token that lets other applications talk to your Base44 workspace on your behalf. Because it grants access, keep it private and never share it in public documents, screenshots, or chat threads. When you're ready to create a fresh key, for example, if you're setting up a new integration or rotating credentials, click Regenerate. Regenerating issues a brand new key and disables the old one. That means any existing integrations using the previous key will stop working until you update them with the new value. So plan this click for a time when you can quickly switch those connections over. After the new key appears, click Copy. That places the key on your clipboard so you can paste it directly into the configuration screen of the integration you're setting up. Paste it carefully, double check for leading or trailing spaces, and store it somewhere secure like a trusted password manager or an encrypted secrets vault. Avoid pasting keys into shared documents or sending them over unencrypted channels. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. If you don't see the API key section, your role may not have permission to view it, so reach out to a workspace admin. Use environment variables when configuring servers or automation tools so the key isn't hard-coded. Rotate keys on a regular schedule as part of your security hygiene, and if you ever suspect the key has been exposed, regenerate it immediately and update your integrations. That's it. You've navigated to account settings in Base44, regenerated a secure API key, and copied it for use with your integrations. Follow these steps each time you connect a new tool, and you'll maintain both convenience and security across your workflow.